Hello, Sanbonani. My name is Sibo. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making creamed samp, umngqusho or istambu escrinyiwe. Let's begin. Measure and wash the samp until the water gets clear or clean. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients. It is below. Boil the samp on medium to low heat for 90 minutes or until it gets tender, stirring occasionally. When your samp is almost tender, mix the 4 cheese powder with milk or cream or water and set aside. Using this powder is optional. You can just use milk only without mixing it with anything, but it brings creaminess because there are cheeses mixed in it. In another pan on medium heat, melt butter or margarine. Add flour to the melted butter and stir for about 3 to 5 minutes. Pour the milk mix that you've prepared into the pan. Stir until it smoothens. A warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Even if you are a regular visitor and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. I'm glad you are here. Once it thickens, lower the heat, then season the roux. This is Aromat. It's seasoned salt. Mix the samp with the roux. Season with salt and pepper. Stir until they both blend. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. Taste it and make seasoning adjustments if necessary. Then switch off the heat once they are blended. Look at how creamy it is, and it is delicious too. Garnish is optional. Serve it hot. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.